Keeping your glass cooktop looking new is easy with proper cleaning and the use of approved cookware. To prevent damage to the glass cooktop, always use Ceramibrite ceramic cooktop cleaner and cleaning pads, and always clean your cooktop after each spill. Before using your cooktop for the first time, as well as after each use, follow these simple cleaning steps. Spray a small amount of Ceramibrite on the surface of your cooktop when it is cool. Use the Ceramibrite cleaning pad or a paper towel to clean the entire surface. If you need to treat burned-on spills, let the cooktop cool completely, then apply a small amount of Ceramibrite directly to the burned area. Rub the area firmly with a Ceramibrite cleaning pad or paper towel, adding more cleaner if necessary until the spill is gone. Then buff the surface dry. Lastly, clean and buff the entire surface for extra protection. For heavier burned-on residue, you may also need to use a single-edge razor blade scraper, such as the Ceramibrite ceramic cooktop scraper. To avoid damage, be sure that the scraper blade is not dull or nicked. Once the cooktop is completely cool, hold the scraper at a 45-degree angle and gently scrape at the soiled area using light pressure on the scraper. After scraping, apply a small amount of cleaner and spot clean and buff the area. Once all the burned residue is removed, clean and buff the entire surface of your cooktop. Repeat if necessary. In the event of a hot sugary spill, such as jelly, candy, syrup, or melted plastic, it's important that you remove the hot spill immediately to prevent permanent damage to the cooktop surface. First, turn off all the burners and remove any hot pans from the surface. Next, wearing an oven mitt, use a single-edge razor blade scraper to remove the spill to a cool area on the cooktop and remove the spill with a paper towel. Any remaining residue should be left until the cooktop surface has completely cooled and then removed using the previously demonstrated methods. Be sure not to use any of the surface burners again until all residue of the spill has been completely removed. To avoid marks and scratches, always avoid sliding cookware on the surface. However, should you see any markings, you may be able to remove them by following the cleaning and/or scraping procedures previously demonstrated. Choosing the right cookware for your glass cooktop can also help protect it from damage. The recommended cookware is stainless steel. You may use heavy aluminum and copper bottom pots, but be aware that they may leave small scratches in or residue on the cooktop surface. Avoid cookware that is glass ceramic, porcelain enamel on steel, stoneware, or cast iron. Whatever material you choose, all your cookware should have flat bottoms. Rounded, curved, ridged, or warped bottoms are not recommended. Here are some additional tips for protecting your cooktop. Don't use window cleaner, as it will leave behind an iridescent film. Don't slide pots and pans on the surface, as they may leave scratch marks. Don't place wet pans or lids on the cooktop, as they may stick. Don't use the cooktop surface as a cutting board. With a little care and elbow grease, it's easy to keep your cooktop clean and looking new. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest video updates. For other care tips and videos, visit geappliances.com.